How to view the status of your current and past order in Sainsbury. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to view or check the status of your current as well as the past order in the Sainsbury app itself. So for that case, you have to go to login, open up a browser, type in sainsbury.co.uk. Here you need to go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to this page, and here you have to go and press your my account option. When you go to my account, then you'll be able to see this field where you can see my orders as well as my coupon. So go ahead and press on see all orders. As you do that, you'll be able to see the orders that you've made, and right under the order you'll be able to see the status as well. And likewise, you could go ahead and check the status by entering the order number or the order details. Just follow the prompt and you'll be able to check the status of your past as well as your current orders on Sainsbury app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.